KTA makes calibrating your inspection equipment fast and convenient. First, go to KTAGauge.com and fill out the form under Repairs and Calibrations. Be sure to specify if you require ISO 17025 accreditation or just NIST. KTA accepts equipment from any manufacturer, so include everything you need certified. We'll take care of it all. Package your equipment. Be sure to include a business card or write your contact info on a slip of paper so we know who to send it back to. Ship your equipment to our lab. We'll send you an email when we receive your shipment so you know it arrived safely. If you're near Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, you can drop off your instruments in person. We're just minutes away from the Pittsburgh International Airport. After initial testing, we'll send you your quote. We provide a list of estimates on our website. Once payment is received, we'll complete the calibration, print out the necessary certificates, and ship your equipment back to you. For your convenience, we'll send you a reminder when recalibration is due for your instruments. Go to KTAGauge.com to get started.